Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I am going to be playing with the newest eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, which is Empowered. So if you're interested to see what I create, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. Like I mentioned in my introduction, I'm going to be playing with Huda Beauty's new eyeshadow palette, which is called Empowered. Now, when I seen this was like neutral heaven, and I'm like, I have to get them. I really love her formula, and she has all these beautiful. She always comes out with these beautiful palettes that. It was irresistible. I was like, as soon as it comes out, I'm gonna get my hands on it. And yeah, why don't I show you the palette? So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Very, very nice. And then back here, it tells you a little bit about the eyeshadow palettes, the longevity of this palette as well. And this is what the actual eyeshadow palette looks like. So this is Huda's face, her eyes, with the letters Empowered, and it has that gold detailing. Also, this has a QR code that you can scan onto it, which I don't know what it does, but yeah, as you can see the QR code if you scan it with your phone. I have to do more research on it, but I think that's pretty cool. And then back here, it gives you the definition of empowered. Yeah, big dreams, manifest it, bold moves, do it, power, get it. So, yeah. And then the inside looks something like this. Also, she has a full-size mirror, and then these are the eyeshadows. Right here. Really, really, really pretty. As you can see, this is very neutral, or you could take it from day to night because it has the black, so you can smoke it out. The black, and I think this, it looks maroon, but this color and the black are two creams, and then this one is like a jelly formula. And then yeah, she just has a lot going on in this palette. So yeah, why don't we just jump in? So I've already moisturized my face. I also did my eyebrows with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the dual powder. The Brow Wiz to outline my eyebrows, and then the dual powder to fill them in. Then I carved out my eyebrows and primed my lids with MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre, and then I lightly set that with translucent powder. So that's all I have going on the eyes right now. And yeah, why don't we just jump in? I'm so excited. So let's see. I kind of want to go into Keep Going, which is this nice brown color right here, and I'm going to use that all over the crease. So I'm going to grab a blending brush. I'm going to be using the Morphe times Ariel, the 811. So it's like your typical blending brush. So again, I'm going to go into, actually no, I'm going to go into Best Self, which is this color right here. Knowing Huda, the eyeshadows always come off a little darker on the eyes, and you know, I don't want to go too dark on my crease, so I'm just gonna grab again Best Self, which is this color right here, and I am going to apply it all over. Yeah, Best Self, and I'm gonna apply that color all over the crease. Such a nice, pretty transition color. Alrighty, so that's that's what that shade looks like. It looks really, 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 really pretty. Now I'm going to go into the color. I want to go into Confident, which is this. It's like a dark plum, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use a tapered blending brush. This is from the Morphe x Ariel collection. This is the 820 blending brush. So I'm going to grab that color and I'm going to apply it in the outer part of the crease. I'm sorry, not the crease, the lid. So this outer part right here, this is where I want to apply that color. I still don't know what kind of eye look I want to do. I've really been into halo eyes, and I feel like I've been doing a lot of those, so I don't know if I should do something different, which I might, just because I don't want to keep doing the same eye look, even though I'm really into halo eyes. But so I'm just, you know, building dimension in this outer part of the crease. So now I'm going to grab my blending brush with no additional product and I'm going to try and blend that out. I'm going to grab a little bit of Best Self just to help it blend a little bit more. Okay. Alrighty, so I think I'm just going to do... yeah, I'm not going to do a halo eye today. So now I'm going to go in with my glitter glue. I'm going to grab the Pat McGrath IntensifEYES Artistry wand. So this right here. And I'm going to apply this all over this empty part of the lid. Right here. Like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the color Manifest It, which is this almost like a jelly color. So this right here, it has that texture. I haven't touched it, but I want to use it. So I'm going to, let's see. So this is what that shade looks like, as you can see. And I'm going to apply this all over this part. Wow, that is pretty. It's like Vaseline too. Wow, that's such a beautiful shade. Wow, that's really pretty. So your fingers are going to be your best friends with this because it's very Vaseline. So when you go in with that color, I'm not sure if the brush is going to pick it up. But that's what that color looks like. Now I'm going to go into the color Visionary, which is this color right here. It's like a marble swirl between like a rose gold and a burgundy. So I'm going to go into that color. As you can see, that's what that color looks like. And I'm just going to apply it here so it can mix with the brown or plum color that we applied in the outer part of the crease. So this is a nice shimmer. I'm going to go in and blend that first color into that like reddish color, like so. That's really pretty. It's really pretty. Now I'm gonna grab my blending brush, not blending brush, the color, the 820, the one we used with that Confident color, which is this right here, and I'm just gonna try and blend that out. So it blends out nicely with that red color that we'd applied. That's really pretty. Very, very pretty. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the blending brush and I'm just going to go over everything, make sure it's nice and blended. So As you can see, we kept this eye look very neutral. This is really pretty. Very neutral, but look at that. That's pretty. So I'm gonna finish the other eye and then I'll come back and show you what the eyes look like before I do the entire face. So hang tight. Alrighty, so this is what the eyes look like. I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner and then I'm gonna finish the face, come back to show you the final result. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? This is a very neutral eye look, which I love. This is something I would do basically on a daily, minus the black on the waterline. That's a bit much for daytime for me for work, but I mean, hello, so pretty. I figured I'd do something neutral just because I've been doing a lot of color in all my looks. But yeah, I love these neutral looks just as much. I love this eyeshadow palette as well. The formula, she has a lot of formulas in this eyeshadow palette. I tried a few and yeah, I love them. I love the eye look I created. I'm excited to keep trying this look for even more wearable looks for work. So yeah, I have no complaints. I'm happy that I bought it. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this eye look. It's neutral, yes, absolutely, and this palette is neutral heaven. But yeah, I feel like if you're in the market to try something new, this would be a really good palette for you. You are able to intensify it just because it has those really dark colors, like the two creams at the end. I didn't use them today, but you can, to, you know, make it more nighttime appropriate, if you will. But yeah, so like I said, this it's a really good palette, but it's not something that you need. I can guarantee that you have these colors in your collection. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's eye look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.